Hello everybody, thanks for joining us today. Wanted to take a minute to introduce you to Judy Hauser with Residential Title. She's here today to answer a few questions that I have about title insurance. Judy?
Well, thank you, Tom. Thank you for having me today.
Welcome. Judy, can you explain to our clients what title insurance is and the difference between a lender's policy and an owner's policy?
Yes. Well, first, title insurance protects against losses resulting in defects to the title of the real estate property. These defects can exist at the time of purchase but are undisclosed or unknown. A lender's policy protects the lender's title security interest in the property for the life of the loan.
Okay.
An owner's policy protects the owner's title interests. It is a one-time premium and it lasts a lifetime. So even if the homeowner would sell the property and somebody would come back against them in the chain of title in a lawsuit, they would still be insured.
Gotcha. Okay. And what situations would seriously merit an individual buying a policy, and what does it cover for the owner?
Okay. Well, like any insurance, it'll give the homeowner peace of mind. The policy covers the homeowner from hidden defects in the title that we do not know of. For instance, we could have undisclosed mortgage liens or undisclosed home equity lines. There's also what we see a lot of is mechanic liens. Mechanic lien is a lien that is placed on a property that hasn't been paid for a structure that was put into the property. Let's say a furnace was input in the property, and the homeowner, the original homeowner, never paid for that. Well, at time of transfer, the heating and air service put a lien against that property, which is known as a mechanic's lien.
Gotcha, makes sense. Okay.
Yes.
Great. And what is the cost of an owner's policy, and does it vary from Ohio to Kentucky?
Yes, Ohio and Kentucky have different rates, and the Ohio Department of Insurance will dictate the Ohio rate, and the Kentucky insurance company will dictate the rate for Kentucky.
Gotcha. And what is the cost between Ohio and Kentucky?
Okay. Ohio is $5.75 per thousand for the first 150,000.
Gotcha.
Then it staggers. And Kentucky is $4.40 per thousand, and then it'll stagger.
Okay, makes sense. And so when you're sitting at a closing and we're looking at a statement, how do you know what the cost of the policy is when you're looking at the statement, the settlement statement?
The title insurance is on page 2 of the settlement statement.
Okay.
It's listed on a line 1103. It'll either be on the buyer side or the seller side, depending on who's paying for it.
Okay, great. And can a policy be purchased after closing? And is there a benefit to buying it at closing versus after?
Yes. The homeowner actually has 30 days to purchase it at a reduced cost if they bought a lender's policy. However, we usually recommend a homeowner to purchase it day one because you want to be insured from the date of closing going forward. If a homeowner decides on day 28 they want title insurance, if any defect would show up in the title, because we'll do an update on that, they would not be insured for that. That would be deleted from their policy.
Gotcha.
So it's usually a good rule of thumb to purchase it at closing.
Okay. And who would somebody contact if they want to purchase a title policy?
Well, they can contact me here at Residential Title. My phone number is 324-3918.
Okay.
And I would welcome any call to discuss the homeowner's title insurance.
Great. Well, Judy, thank you for joining us today. And if you have any questions about real estate and or title insurance, please give myself or Judy a call.
Thank you.